Dave with Taboo Customs. Today we're going to take a look at our new YJ fuel filter guard that's a replacement for the OEM guards that are on the early 90 YJs. So our new guard has the exact same bolt pattern as the existing OEM guard. So if you are just wanting to replace your OEM guard on your stock frame without doing any kind of rust repair, then you can do that. This guard will bolt into place. We do also include with this guard, with this kit, some self-tapping bolts, because there's a good chance when you do remove this from your frame, you're just going to snap the heads of those bolts off. So you can then take those bolts, drill them out, and replace them with the new self-tapping bolts with this, so it will work with your stock frame. Our replacement guard does have a couple advantages over the OEM guard. It is a heavier duty guard. It does have additional flanges in it for additional strength, and it also includes two drain holes, whereas the original guard did not. You can see eventually after a while it made its own drain hole after it rusted out. The other advantage has over the OEM guard is where it comes into contact with the parking brake lines. You can see with an OEM guard, when installed into the stock location, has actually rubbed this line and rubbed all of the material off the outside of the parking brake cable. Our new replacement guard has additional clearance at the rear, so the parking brake cable doesn't rub on any edges of the guard. So as mentioned, with the install of this guard, if you're installing it on a frame, just straight replacing the guard, you may have some bolts to break off. This frame obviously is a little bit farther gone. We're going to be doing rust repair on this frame first, but to show you an example, these two bolts back here actually did come out clean. However, the two bolts at the front did not. So if you do have this where these bolts break off, you're going to have to center punch these bolts, drill them out, and then you can use the new self-tapping bolts to install the guard. That does it for our YJ fuel filter guard replacement. If you do have any questions or comments on the guard, please let us know. These are also available for sale on our website, taboocustoms.com. Thank you, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please like or subscribe.